Jim, we know it's going to be another crazy week, very hard to predict. So what's your tell this week?
Well, I had thought that you could buy some stuff on Friday into the teeth of it, but I think that if the market opens up, we're still oversold, and that's what you got for it. But I don't think that there's much that you want to buy. I think you'd rather just wait until it goes back. But that swing, I mean, at 3:30, the futures were up 80. It was crazy. But I think what matters is that there are a lot of people who believe that the Fed's going to take action today. And I come back, Peter Bachvar was on this morning with Dominic Chu. It comes back, unless the Fed can create a vaccine or beat the virus, then it really doesn't matter.
Well, you said on Friday this is a biological crisis, not.
I mean, ultimately, it could turn into I don't think it'll turn into a liquidity crisis. I think it could turn into a stay-at-home economy. And a stay-at-home economy is when you have a service economy like we have, and you get an upgrade for Darden, for instance, last week, or Cheesecake Factory today. It's like, are you kidding me? I mean, anywhere that there's a gathering is going to be a place that I think people will be reluctant to go. And that's just the way it is. I don't want to, it's 1.4% is the percentage of lethality that's been sometimes up to 2% up in China.
It also seems to depend where. I mean, there's so much that we still don't know.
No, we don't.
And I think that's the reason why the market is reacting. At some point, we will know a lot more.
Right. We know that it's that it's appreciably worse than the regular flu.
We do. Although at the same time, given the lack of testing that's been done around our country and in other countries, it's unclear how many cases there really are.
Right. Or
how
what
many
the
people may have
denominator
had this.
is.
I mean, anecdotally, you can talk about people who've come back from Milan not feeling well. I mean, it's here.
Right.
And the question can also be, have a lot of people already actually gotten it and gotten over it?
Yes.
And
never knew they
are
had
we not measuring it properly?
Yeah, I think the denominator would show that the 1.4 figure of lethality is wrong and it's lower. Also, the fact is that there are almost no under 15-year-old people who've got it, which is quite different from our current flu. But David's right. I mean, everything's so anecdotal. It drives you crazy. I mean, there was a tremendous piece last night, last week, in New England Journal of Medicine by Dr. Fauci, whom everyone told me was silenced. Well, you want to go read him? He's right there. And he actually, I'm not saying he's reassuring, but he is saying, let's deal with facts. My doctor, Jonathan Lapoukas on CBS, said, how about facts? And when you deal with facts, it's not as scary as the fictions.